Hello my woolly wanderers. What have I done this week? So to begin with the video, I've done a catch up with a few things that I've gone through from December to January. Hopefully you'll see the wind, the rain, our pets, different workshops I've done, and also our beautiful trip to Ireland, which we took at the beginning of December. On this week's video, you'll see the start of me making up a kit. The initial process is me drawing what I'd like to do. You'll also see me finishing one of my felted pin cushions for my needles. Also on today's video, you'll see me walking to Bosom Arts and Crafts Centre where I have a little bit of wall space. My husband took some footage of me walking in there, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. What else have I done this week? I've contacted Felt's wife Philippa, one of my favourite YouTubers, and just asked some advice, and she very kindly got back to me, which I've almost felt like I was talking to someone famous, which is weird, and she probably thinks that's weird as well. I bought one of her tutorials off Thinkific, and this is what I completed this week. I made it a little bit different. I decided to give him bigger feet, like my bunny rabbit, and make his ears slightly at different angles, because that's how our rabbit Bucky is. He's always got his ears at different angles, so I thought I'd do that with Henry Hare. Anyway, so that's what else I've been doing this week. I also finished my jumper. Yay! I'm so proud of myself. I can't tell you how long it's taken me to get to this place. I've never ever finished a knitted project. Here is the pattern. I hope you like it. It's not the pattern that was written down, which makes my mum laugh every time. I made it up. I missed out one of the steps, and my mum looked at it and said, actually, that's not quite how the pattern is. But because I'd done so much, I just decided to stay with it. So I can honestly say it's Joanne's pattern. Hopefully you can't hear the shower in the background, which is going on upstairs with my son in it, who decides to always spend about 20 minutes in the shower. So I did tell him to get out, but anyway, hey ho, he's still in there. So hopefully you can't hear that. I hope you enjoy catching up with what's been happening around here. As of this week, I shall be posting once again every week, as I had a little break over Christmas. Lovely speaking to you, my woolly wanderers, and I really look forward to catching up with you next week. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I would really like to get to 15, hopefully by the end of the month. Let's see if we can get there all together, and let's see if we can move this channel forward, as I have in my head a crafting community, and I'm just really trying to reach people to be able to get that there. So please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.